Yeah, why would you listen to a bitch?
She's all taking pictures.
It's that video.
Together? I'm getting crazy with you. No, I'm just fucking trying to like. Okay, look. You're the one I want to talk to. No, I didn't.
Because there's like that much
Okay,
left,
just
fool.
shut up. Let me
No,
fucking
I don't care,
talk to her.
fool. You drink a fuckload of
Let me talk.
vodka,
Okay,
dude.
Did you drink
Margaret,
vodka?
I
What?
talked to
Did
the
you
fucking
vodka?
girl right now.
Drank
I
like
talked
that
to her
much
for
of it.
fucking,
We had like a half
10
bottle
minutes,
left,
right?
and I hid it over there, and he knew where I hid it, and it's like this much left.
Okay,
now.
listen.
Fuck.
The
What's
guy
it
that's
about?
fucking
What?
Margaret told her that he is single.
He is single. That's my ex. 4 years. bitch.
Exactly.
So, she
I'm
shouldn't
not
be.
trying to get crazy with anybody.
Okay, but
I'm
I'm trying to
just-
get crazy. You need to understand that I'm trying to get crazy.
boyfriend last year. She tried to.
She's a slut, and you
Okay,
know it.
I know. Okay, I know. You know,
She's a
I've known her.
slut.
for-
She's the
I thought-
biggest whore.
No,
around
listen.
here.
Yeah.
Why are you
Listen.
defending a
You're
slut?
contradicting yourself. Like she's
Because
a slut.
I've known. No,
Oh,
I.
sorry,
defending her.
Nissa.
Don't fuck with
Yeah,
Margaret. She's a
Nissa.
dumb slut though. Like
No, like
Nissa.
no, just fucking hold on, wait, girl, with the green t-shirt. I'm fucking
My
trying
name
to.
is
Slap me,
Cameron,
go ahead.
I'm Fed's ex-girlfriend.
Okay.
Margaret is just
That
a
wasn't a
fucking
slap.
rebound
What
fuck.
was it? Yeah, there you go.
first
Now
one,
give me a
yeah.
hug.
I'm not trying to get crazy with anybody. I'm trying to be fucking chill. You know?
Yeah, there.
Because I've known Margaret
That's
forever.
I don't care.
Don't do
No,
that.
but okay, if he's your ex, then he can't have other girlfriends or
No.
other fuck buddies.
not once.
That's exactly why, you know? You're his ex.
Like
Ex.
at least you pick a better.
Nessa, do you have a cigarette?
Fucking ever.
It doesn't matter. He's
Sadly.
fucking
I
somebody,
heard
right?
Sadly.
You fucking tell my
Shut up,
fucking
the
man
first
doesn't
match
care about them.
I'm
I'll throw
getting
them
a
away in the
phone
trash.
Exactly.
call.
Slut
So
whore.
fucking.
Perfect.
Alex,
What?
will you please shut the fuck up and stop fighting?
No, I don't want.